believe it's round 4. We'll be here on the 4th day of February 2024. The ultimate RV show. Alright, got some, you can see you got some grills here. Kind of cool. So this is a regular 35 grand. Oh my goodness. Perfect when to pull around, it's not too bad. You're single, whatever. Probably the bed probably comes down with this. So this is, you know, I still like the pop-up campers. Those are the best. But you don't want a cargo. Watch TV, hang out. I have a feeling the bed might be come over, I guess. I don't know. You got a lot of, these are the Coleman ones. That's 30, that's 30 grand. You got the Coleman right here. It's also on this one.
Pete, you can shower.
No discount. Oh, I guess. Used 2021 Coleman White. Okay. Lightly used. Alright, let's go over here. So, they got all kinds of stuff here. They had the camping show last weekend. But this is free to get in, like I said. Kind of cool. Storage right there, it looks like. Looking there, got small stuff. What do you think?
Not bad.
Not bad. Used, so discount. There you go. Not bad. Here's what you want. It's a pretty big bathroom. Pretty big head. Not bad. Gotta pull it yourself. Nice big beds. It's not bad. Not bad at all. No, it's not bad. Zip. Walk over here. Over here. There's so many different campers here. There's so much stuff to look at. Kind of giving you an idea. Here's some big dogs right here. They want to pull over here. Oh yeah. This is it.
Worse than like everything that happened in 2020 combined.
Yeah. Gotta cover up that. We don't want that to get on the. We don't want to get any. We don't want to get any banning the jets on that thing. We don't want. All of a sudden it gets on there, so we don't want that. So these are like a. What is this one? $150,000 this bad boy? Oh, it's a Winnebago, that's why. No crying at the RV show. No crying. It's kind of. I see. Alright. Ringing the bell, what the hell it's all about. So these ones are over here.
They're down here. This is beautiful. Huh?
Yeah, it's all beautiful, but it costs money for stuff. So I'm saying cute, you know. This one is no discount, 27 grand. Ooh. Nice head, nice kitchen. I mean, not bad. Acceptable. It's a nice little cabin. I like this. It's got some room. That's not bad. This could be. I like it because you can kind of sit like this. Actually got room in here.
26 foot.
A bigger bathroom than I've seen other.
This way.
Yeah, that's actually nice.
It's big.
I'd actually buy this one for like a cabin, like a summer cabin. Put
Yeah.
it somewhere in a lot, up at a lake.
Yeah.
It's got a nice bed over there.
Yep.
Yeah, and the bathroom's pretty big.
The bathroom is big.
This is actually a nice place for a cabin. I have a cabin up at Torture Lake. A lot of people buy these
Sure.
and they drop them for the whole summer,
Right.
and then
Yep.
they go down to Arizona.
Yep.
So this would be a retiree one right here.
Yep.
It's got room for you.
Yeah.
Not bad for $27,000 for a cabin. That's about what it would be. It's got to have a big truck to pull it. And then over here, Concord. It's a 2021 sale price $77. That's kind of nice. I like that. Shadow Cruiser. Discount is getting this one. Oh, I got music going on here. We don't want to go in here. Sorry about that. Alright. There you go. And it kind of rolls out. It's kind of cold. Because they have the awning that comes out over here. Let it go cross it off. That's nice. They have so many different kinds that you can look at. It's the beauty of this. You get an idea what you want. Kind of going to a car show, right? Things over here. This one is. Only $1,000 discount. What the hell? 2008. Oh, it's used. It's used. Used and abused, right? Not bad. Could take this to Burning Man, right? Yeah. Okay. Not bad. I like the last one you guys just saw. That was kind of cool for a cabin. So. Not bad. Hideout by Keystone. Must be the propane right in there. Sold. So they sold that one for 19 grand. Here we go, some more ones. These are the kind of the cabin ones. Let's go look. Not bad. Nice little TV. And then you can kind of come out here, come down here without killing yourself. Chilling. Another big one right here, Colorado. 2021 Dutchman. Not bad. Double beds. And if you want your grandpa, grandma, and grandchildren come over and sleep, whatever. But if you're gonna buy this stuff, you better use it, right? Cortez was a big one over there. It was out in this one's discount used Winnebago. There's another one right here. Oh, not bad. Wow. Hell yeah. What do you guys think? Kind of hang out, drinks, playing cards, smoking some geef, whatever. The captain chair's behind me. Just they like to fall apart a little too much. Nice king size bed, workbench, not bad at all. So, not bad. That's 60 grand. Wow, half off. Used 2023. It's not bad. Into here. Look at this thing. Not good. Not good. That should be more solid. Camping World, they're all over the place. They get ripped a lot, I guess. But anyways, guys, so let's move on to something more substantial, shall we?